welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I am hoping you'll want to hit that subscribe button before it's over. Okay, so today I have Heaven Panty. This is a PR package that I get delivered to my door every month. It is a panty styling service. So you go online and you fill out a quiz and then they send you a panty based upon that. They are true to size and I've never had any issues with these panties fraying, shrinking, nothing like that. So let's see what panty I got for the month, and you can get them as low as $1.99. All right. Okay, this is different. I've never had a little, what is this? I always get size small and I am 5'6" and about 115 pounds. Okay, I don't know who this little guy is on my underwear. Do you guys know who this is? I've never gotten one with, okay, they're cute. This I can see wearing with like a cute crop top to bed. You know what I mean? Okay, so they're super soft. This is the back. This is the front. If they're not too revealing, I can go ahead and try them on for you. Yeah, I don't know what that is. I don't know. Okay, so I'll have to look at that a little bit closer. One of the things I really like about this company is that every single month they give you, I've been getting $13 in add-on credits to use and to go shopping in their store. And you can accumulate them. So I have nothing but good things to say about this company. I really want to know what you guys think. I will be honest, I did get naughty knickers last year and both of those underwear fell apart. I could not believe it. I've never had that problem with this company. This video is not sponsored, of course. They just sent me a free panty every single month for the last few years, and I've shared it with you guys. I have a huge collection now, and I don't know, I am a collector of underwear. I don't know why, I just am. Okay, so what else do I need to tell you about Heaven Panty? I can leave their information down below. They do have great customer service, and I guess that's really it. If you have any questions for me, put them in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer them for you. But basically, you just get a panty every single month. You can get them as low as $1.99, and then they give you add-on credits. And then you have the window to shop where you can get your panty and your add-ons at the same time if you choose to. So I think that's really neat, and I do enjoy getting these every single month. I do want to know what you think down in the comments. Have you had any problems with naughty knickers? Splendies is one I haven't tried yet. So do you recommend that I try them? Let me know all of that down in the comment section. I can't wait to read them, and I'll see you guys real soon in another video.